Unlock Proval text animations in Capcut without touching After Effects. We're diving deep into creating those eye-catching, After Effects-style text animations, all within the user-friendly environment of Capcut. First things first, let's get our text onto the timeline. Tap the text icon at the bottom, then select Add Text. Type out your desired text. Feel free to choose a font that fits your video's vibe. Capcut has a great selection to play with. Now for the magic. With your text layer selected, tap Animations. You'll see three main categories: in, out, and loop. For that dynamic e-like feel, we'll start with in animations. These bring your text onto the screen. Look for options that mimic common eye effects, like the typewriter effect, faddings, or sliding text. Once you've picked an animation, you can adjust its duration. Shorter durations mean snappier, more impactful animations, just like you'd see in professional motion graphics. Don't forget the out animations. These control how your text leaves the screen. A clean fade-out or a quick dissolve can add a polished finish. For a truly e-like touch, explore the loop animations. These add subtle, repeating movements to your text while it's on screen, like a gentle shake or a small bounce, adding personality without being distracting. Experiment with combining different in, out, and loop animations to create unique sequences. You can layer these effects for more complex movements. Want to go further? Capcut's Effects library, specifically under the text category, allows you to add visual flair like glitches, distortions, or color shifts, truly mimicking advanced eye techniques. And there you have it, sophisticated, After Effects-inspired text animations made simple, all within Capcut. Your projects just got a serious upgrade.